Hey Conquerors, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on yet another Conquering Asia YouTube video. Hey, how are you? How you doing? I know what you were thinking when you clicked on that thumbnail and clicked on this video. Well, damn sis, where'd you get that bob from? Oh, I did this quick weave bob on myself last night. It only took me an hour and a half total to do it with the braiding and the putting in the tracks or whatever. I know what some of y'all are saying, hour and a half, Asia, that's a long time. No sis, it's not. How long do sew-ins take? Too damn long. The end of 2018, we got 3 months left of this year. We're trying to get it popping and get ready for 2019 and make sure that we got our looks all the way together. And some of us need help. So in this video, I will show you how I got this quick weave style. Yes, it only took me an hour and a half to do the whole style all together, and guess what? This hair and this style is less than $30 to do. Yep, that's right, I said it, less than $30. The hair that I got from my local beauty supply is, they spell this so weird. Hold on, let me do what the beauty gurus do. It is this bikini hair. It is Remy Alternative Curl Retention. It says 100% human hair with Ultima. Ultima is this brand's own blend. This is not synthetic hair. It literally says on the back, look at that. It literally says this is not synthetic hair, because it's not synthetic hair. It's 100% human hair, and it's their own manufactured human hair, exact like quality. Now what I mean by saying that is, no, it's not synthetic hair because it's not made of synthetic fibers. What it is bioengineered human hair. It is organically grown proteins that are spun into hair strands. These are the same proteins that hair is naturally grown from. So when they say it's 100% human hair with Ultima, it's saying it's 100% human hair with, like, look at this movement. Now, the reason I picked this up is because, one, I'm cheap. Two, I can make a lot happen with not 100% through and through human hair, you know what I mean? So I picked this brand up. I saw this in a box on the floor at the beauty supply, and they are $5.99 per pack of 12-inch hair. Obviously, I don't have 12 inches because I cut this into a blunt bob. So if you find 10 inches, 8 inches, get that. But I like the fullness of the 12, and I like everybody to be even and straight all the way around. It says wet wave weave. I'm assuming when you get this wet, it waves up. I haven't done that yet. I don't really want to do that because, like, why? I bought 4 packs of these at $6 each, $5.99 each, which brought it out to be $24 for 4 packs. And guess what? You don't even have to buy 4 packs. You don't even have to buy 4 packs. You can just buy 2 packs because it literally took exactly 2 packs to do this style on my head. I have a small head, so it might take you 3 packs, but 3 packs will still be way cheap. Mind you, quick weaves are not long-term styles. Quick weaves are protective styles, especially the way that I do it, and you will see soon how I do it and how it protects your hair and your scalp completely. You will not get glue on your hair, and if you get glue on your hair, it's probably because you're using too much glue when you do this process, or you just didn't do it right. Quick weaves are meant to last only a couple of weeks. They are not long-term styles. As your scalp naturally releases those oils that is already developed and built in your body, the glue will separate everything. Before I show you guys how I got this quick and easy style, make sure you click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you can become a conqueror too. Make sure you click that like button before you go and as this video is going on. Comment below if you want to see anything else from me in these next few weeks, days, whatever, you know. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already started braiding my hair. I just do 2 braids on each side, down the side, and then these ones here I just do whatever's easiest. So if it happens to be a circle, I'll do a circle. If it happens to be a I'm tired. It's exhausting doing your own hair. My arms hurt. I have carpal tunnel and I can't even wear my hand brace. Like, my life is falling apart. I'm almost out of strawberry lemonade from McAllister's. Braiding my hair up. This is going to be my leave out portion. I haven't done leave out in a long time. So pray for me. That's what we're doing. So we're just going to keep braiding. And after I'm finished braiding, I'll get back to you. If you don't know how to braid your own hair to the scalp, trust me, I'm not judging. It's not easy. If you don't know how to braid your own hair to the scalp and you do have short hair, like this video is made for, if you have short hair, you can slick your hair down with some gel, sit under the dryer, use some wrap sheets to wrap it up, sit under the dryer until your whole head is dry, and then you can do the quick weave on top of that. That's like the throwback way. Okay, all of the hair is braided down. Finally, my back is not screaming as loudly as it was a few minutes ago. So now comes the time where we put the cap on. Pop a cap on it. You can get these caps literally anywhere. These ones I had left over from doing a friend's head. No, I do not do hair professionally. Do not ask me to do your hair because I hate doing people's hair. So you can get these wig caps literally from anywhere. Sis here, I believe was like 99 cents to $1.99 maybe. There's 2 caps in one thing, so it's probably $1.99. She insists that one size fits all, but I will be the judge of that. Slide that baby on there in the most least attractive way. Yes, you're gonna slide it on over your leave out. The great thing is about this is there's still a lot of breathability. You're gonna wanna pull it down to like right above where your earrings are. You are gonna look stupid for a few minutes, but that's okay because, listen, ain't nobody in the house but you. You're going to apply whatever oils you want to apply in between your or onto your scalp so that your braids and your hair is healthy, moisturized, and protected while it's down in there. And then you're going to apply something that's going to help adhere the bonding glue, the cap, because you can't just put bonding glue on the cap and expect it to adhere because it's not going to. So you're going to want to spray something on your head, on your cap, that's going to protect it and adhere. There are protectants out there that you can easily brush onto your cap, but I'm going to use my Pump It Up spritz. Do not spray your leave out like I just did in that corner, because Pump It Up is stiff as hell and sticky as hell. You will have a sticky ass situation on your hands. You can sit under the dryer with this. You can blow dry it. I'm gonna blow dry mine because it's quicker and ain't nobody got time for that. It's already late at night. I want to go to sleep, even though we all know I don't sleep through the night. So I'm gonna blow dry this really quickly, then we're gonna finish this process. Okay, so I finished blow drying it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that's a close-up. That's how it should look when it is dry. It will not run. It's gonna look sticky. You'll know it's dry because you won't feel the wetness on your scalp anymore. So this is going to protect your scalp, protect your hair, and adhere the tracks and the glue to this cap. That way, when you take this quick weave out, it's easier and quicker to take it out because you just peeling the cap back. Start at the very part, the nape of your neck, and measure it in size. If you're doing this for yourself by yourself, you just hold it. I'm gonna do it right here. Hold it to where you feel like it needs to be cut, right here. That's where I'm gonna cut it at. Take the little skizzers. Janky ass scissors. Take my Gliznae, my glue. I got 2 different glues. Actually, wow, these are the same brand. I feel lied to. Salon Pro. I guess this is the only glue on the market. It's Salon Pro. This is the super glue, the 30-second, and then this is the Super Bond. What? How are they different if they're both super? This is the #1 bestseller, so this is what I'm gonna use today. And if I run out of this, then I'll move on to Sheila over there. So you take your track. Sis, we have haters on the scene. When you're gluing this track, glue it. Look closely to the camera. Hold on, let me be like a beauty guru. Do you see that? Wow, that actually works. Glue it to the side that you actually see 2 tracks in one, not to the side that you can just see 1 track, sides you can see 2, because this is the way that the hair lays, so this is how it's gonna lay better on your head. You can do it the other way if you want to, sis. It's your head, not mine, but just trying to help you out, you know what I'm saying? Don't put too much glue, because then you're gonna have a sticky mess on your hands. I learned that lesson years ago. I first started doing my own, carpal tunnel. First started doing my own quick weaves and sew-ins when I was in high school, and hence the carpal tunnel in both of my hands. And I just taught myself a lot. Wow, sis, you missed a whole part of the track. You sitting here talking about how experienced you are. So, which is why I do my own hair, and I've always done my own hair. Only time I ever go to a stylist is when I need some braids done, because yeah, I can braid my hair to the scalp, but it doesn't look that cute to where I want to walk around in public with it. Let mine dry a little bit before I put it on my head, because it prevents slipping and sliding for me. And then I just take it like that and slide it exactly where I showed you. And you're gonna hold that there for a few seconds and go about your business. So now I'm gonna do that whole bottom half of my head, and I'm gonna get right back to you. Okay. Let me stop. So I've gotten a good amount done. I have 1 more track to go, and then I hit my 2nd pack. I always forget how ridiculously small my head is. I honestly think I'm gonna just use 2 packs for this whole head, which means I have 2 packs to save until the next time I want to do this. Now I've gotten to the point to where I'm just curving it all the way around, and I'm gonna go follow this entire curve until I reach the very top of my head to right here where my leave out is, and then I will get to the next step. I think I'm at the longest or widest point of my head now, because these tracks are getting ridiculously long. I'm sorry, I just blew in your guys' faces like that. You probably don't want to hear that. So just slap that little daddy on down, and you're gonna curve it around. And I know you're gonna be like, but it's on my edges. Well, one, that's exactly, we have a straight runner. That's exactly why we put the cap on our head. It's exactly why we put the protectant spray on top of our head. Your edges will not be damaged. If you want to prevent any glue whatsoever coming onto your head, I would suggest putting wrapping papers and tying them around the perimeter of your head before you slide the cap on top of your braids. That will prevent any glue whatsoever coming from inside. No glue will penetrate your head, okay, if you do it that way. No glue should penetrate your head if you do it this way either, but I like the breathability of this technique. Your scalp has to breathe. Your scalp lives just like you live. We just finished. We are all done. This is our leave out, and this is our hair. You can see the texture of the hair is a good bone-ass straight texture, perfect for this blunt bob. The reason I chose this specific hair is because, like, if you look closely, the texture kind of mimics like a thicker hair texture, like an African-American hair texture, my hair texture. I'm gonna go through and blow dry all the tracks that I glued into my head on the cool setting, and we are good to go. Okay, so now that that's all nice and blow dried, and every piece should be dried and adhered, you still don't want to be extremely rough. But I swear, every time I put hair in my head, I feel like, see, this is 12 inches and this is a lot longer. I thought 12 inches was going to be like this on me, but I forgot I'm short and got a little ass head. shit's different. Now you're gonna go through and cut out your excess cap. So I'm gonna start, and be careful with your leave out. So toss the leave out to the side. I'm gonna start right here. And I lift up the cap so that I make sure I don't cut my own hair. And the easiest way to do it like this is to just cut on around, cut on through. Don't do yourself dirty here, ladies. Don't cut your own hair, because you're going to be hurt. And the way I like to do it to make sure I'm not cutting my hair, I don't like to go in like this and cut, because you can catch stray hairs that way. I like to go in and move stuff around a little bit with the scissors closed, and then go in and cut. I've cut my own hair so many times that I've learned how to finesse my own. And don't be in a rush doing it. Take your time. I learned how to finesse my own mistakes. Excess out, we got our leave out free. If you don't want to cut all your excess out on the sides and stuff, you don't necessarily have to, because that'll make it feel more secure, but you're pretty secure here from this point. So now we cut into our blunt bob. I am not a professional stylist. I repeat, do not have a license, and I do not know how to professionally cut, but I know how I like my hair cut, and I have my experience, and I cut it the way I want. There she is. Yes. Yes, Blunty. Yes. Yes. Now for the leave out, taking my Chi heat protectant, my silk infusions, just a little bit, pulling it through there, because I do have natural hair. And there you have it, folks. All right, Conquerors, thank you for watching. Now you see how I got this quick and easy protective style. If you're doing it while I was doing it, rewind it and keep going, sis. I'm just so baffled at my cleavage. I didn't always have cleavage. Like, I was flat-chested in school. I've been an A cup my whole life, and now I'm finally a B cup, which isn't that big, but we're jiggling now. So again, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. I mean, only if you want to, but it's greatly appreciated, you know. I'm lonely. Like this video before you go, and make sure you drop down below in the comments just to say hello. Be grateful, be blessed, be happy. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Remember, every day is a great day to have a great day. I will see you guys at my next video.